pull this off, but luckily it is sunning and we are good. So I wanted to take a moment just to tell you that this is an experience that we are able to provide for you. Huge shout out to State Farm, who does a grant so that we can bring this here and you guys are able to experience this. But we also want to remind you that it is a serious experience. If you get emotional, I probably will. That is okay. If you find it hard to be out here, we've all had experiences. I've been in a car accident. If you need to step away, go to the main office and we do have staff available to support you. But I want to encourage you to lean into your feelings and feel everything that you're feeling. The whole purpose of this is to help encourage you make smart choices when you're driving. So please take it seriously, and then if you need support, head towards the main office, okay?
I'm laughing because you're scared.
Oh God!
Are you okay? Madden.
Ariana! Are you serious? I told you not to drink. Like, you sat over here and you left anyways. I can't do this. I'm calling somebody. I'm calling 911. I can't do this. I can't do this. Madden! I can't do this. No, there's multiple other people in here. Like, I had to call emergency services. I don't know what's wrong with you. Oh my gosh. Ariana! I need to call emergency services. You're not listening. I'm trying to. You're not listening. You're not. Like, there's something wrong. Like, there's multiple other people in here that are not. I have to call.
They're fine. They're fine.
Anaya.
You're good.
Are you okay? It's locked. No, look at her. She's not okay.
God, that's a
What I'm trying to do, I'm calling.
She's not breathing, Ariana.
I don't know what to do. I'm trying to call. Like, I'm calling them and
Is there anybody else in the car?
there's somebody on the other side. There's Sean, there's other people. I mean, I don't know what to do. I mean, he's drinking and I don't know what to do. I can't.
Did you get 911?
That's what I'm doing. I'm trying to call him.
There's two people in the car and the car is on the other side.
I'm trying to do.
We're good. 86, victim 187, 515 James Hands Court, West Whiteland Township, an auto accident with entrapment, officer 6 left.
Hello? There's been a car accident. I don't know. He's drinking or something. I don't really know what's going on.
He's fine.
Can you stop? Like, you're drinking. Like, I don't know what's wrong with you.
He's good.
Like, I don't know if she's dead or I don't know what's wrong with her. She's not breathing. I don't know what he was
Rescue station, you
doing.
got 2 vehicles, head on with entrapment. I can just go. I'll just go.
No, like, what are you doing? You can't leave. You sat over here and you killed her. Like, I don't know what to do. Like, you can't just leave. Is she's not breathing? No, she's not breathing.
He's fine.
No, like, I don't know what to do. He's drinking. Like, we're at the collegiate high school and, like, I don't know.
That is sad, and I think there's just 3 injured right now.
She's good.
No, you need to stay right here. He's not listening. Like, I don't know what to do. Can you help us?
You need to call them. You didn't need to call them.
No, I don't know what's going on. He's sitting here like he's drinking. I think my friend's dead. Like, I don't know what to do. She's not breathing. breathing. He's drinking, like, I don't know what to do. He's at the mom. Like, I don't know what to do. Like, he's sitting here, I don't know what to do.
He's drinking.
He's not at prom, and I told him not to drive, and he said everything he did, like, I don't know what to do.
Why? My friend's not breathing.
They won't let me talk to you. They won't let me talk to you. Andrew, why did you do this, man? Come on.
I didn't do anything.
Come on. You did something.
It
You
was
could have
them.
called me.
I didn't do anything.
Look, look at this. I don't know where it was, man. He was not really close. They told me to I don't know what you see. This is going to come. This is home. This is going to come. Yeah, there you go. Here we go.
Take the bottles.
Time request 901.
I think he killed someone. I think there's a couple of next week here. It's bad. It's bad. I will call you back.
Madden's the only one that got.
so you guys are aware. Can you hear me? Okay. Just so you guys are aware, if something like this were actually to happen, these are the emergency services that would show up to support you. So Madden is currently being loaded into the actual coroner's van that would show up if someone passed away in a drunk driving accident. So the emergency services that are here to support us, we don't want this for any of you on prom night or on any other night. So she's not even done being loaded into the van. Everybody else is already off-site in ambulances. Andrew is in the back of a police car. So we want you to take it seriously and understand why we don't want this for any of you. So we do have a speaker that's going to talk with us more. So at this time, we're gonna walk around and go in the front doors of the pack. So walk around the building and come in the front doors.